When winterizing your car, a few things you need to visually check. All your drive belts under the car, power steering, serpentine, fan belt, whatever it may be. All your other fluids, your transmission fluid, your brake fluid, and your power steering fluid. All three fluids are different type. You cannot use one to substitute the other. You want to check your upper and lower radiator hoses along with your heater hoses. A lot of times as you're riding down the highway, you'll see cars that are boiling over or steam. More than likely is something in that nature that has failed you. Also, which you cannot visually check, but some indication that you might have a thermostat problem is not enough heat in your car, or your temperature gauge is showing that you're at the boiling point. What you also would want to do is roughly make sure you inspect under the hood your 4 seasons of the year. This way you can kind of keep track of things. Or if you service your car yourself, such as changing the oil, always take a look at those belts, hoses, to make sure that they're in good condition where you can make that trip down the highway if you have to. You want to check under the hood 4 times a year, or basically every season. A lot of people like to check their under the hood every time they fill up in the service station. If you have the time, really try to check once a week under the hood if you do a lot of driving. Also, when you have your car parked in the driveway, basically if you park in the same spot every day, as you pull out in the morning or back out, just look at the ground to see if you have any unusual spots on the ground. Sure sign that you might be in for some major trouble.